In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to organize your life in Notion using a simple template. Start by opening Notion. So in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click the plus button labeled New Page. This creates a fresh workspace where everything in your life dashboard will live. At the top of this new page, click the title area and type Life Dashboard. Naming it clearly will make it easy to find later and keeps your setup consistent across devices. On the right side of the page, click Templates. Templates are a quick way to skip the heavy lifting and start with a structure that already works. In the search bar, type Life Planner or browse to the Personal category. When you see a template that fits, click Use this template. In a moment, you'll see sections like Tasks, Habits, Goals, and Notes appear on your page, ready to customize. Now click directly into any section to make it yours. You can rename headings, add details that matter to you, or remove anything you don't need. Think of this as your central command center. Tasks for what needs doing, habits for routines you want to track, goals for where you're headed, and notes for ideas or references you don't want to lose. Next, in the left sidebar, click Add a Page to create subpages for different areas of your life, such as work, health, or personal projects. Subpages keep related information together so you can dive into a focused view without cluttering your main dashboard. Give each subpage a clear name so you always know where things belong. Once you've created a few subpages, drag them underneath your life dashboard in the sidebar. This nests them neatly under your main page, making them easy to access with a single click. You can reorder them anytime to match your priorities. Inside your dashboard or any subpage, use Notion's /commands to build structure. Type -table to insert a simple table for tracking items like deadlines or progress, or type to do to add a checklist for daily tasks. These lightweight tools are perfect for staying on top of what needs attention today without overcomplicating your setup. And that's it. Start filling in your tasks, habits, and goals so your dashboard reflects your real life and supports your daily routine. Keep it simple at first and refine as you go. Consistency is what makes Notion truly powerful. Your Notion Life dashboard is ready. Stay organized and productive. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.